Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting and new recipe for you all, and this one is for bang bang potato salad. You all know that bang bang sauce you get when you get bang bang shrimp. We're going to take that and add it to our potato salad and take it over the top. So let's start by using our boiled potatoes that you boil in salted water. I'm adding in a piece of culinary to this because I love to put a piece of culinary when I make potato salad, but it's totally optional. Now we're going to go in with chopped celery and sriracha sauce. Now here you can add as much sriracha as you like, and you can always taste and adjust it accordingly. In goes sweet chili sauce and a small can of peas and carrots. You can play around with this recipe and switch up and remove things if you like. In goes some hard-boiled eggs chopped and some black pepper. Next I'm going to go in with my mayo, which is the base ingredient for a potato salad and also for that bang bang sauce. Once you've added that in, we're going to give this a gentle mix. So take your time and mix it in really well. Now I forgot to add my favorite ingredient, and I'm going to add that in a little bit. So first we're going to go in with some chopped chives or some scallions chopped. I'm going to give that a quick mix, and now I'm going to add in that ingredient that I forgot, which is my celery salt. I love to put celery salt when making potato salad and macaroni salad. So just a little, and it goes a long way, and remember it's quite salty, so you don't want to add too much. Once you've tasted and adjusted everything according to your taste preference, you can serve this immediately or refrigerate until it's ready to be served. A really delicious and tasty potato salad, slightly different from your regular version. So I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm just finishing with some sriracha.